Hi traders, it is the 2nd of July 2017. My name is Jameson. Welcome to Bear Trade. We're looking at a daily vertical bar chart of Amda Corp. The ticker is AMDA. It trades on NASDAQ, which we know has been underperforming, which is kind of what got my eye here. Is that NASDAQ's been pulling back, yet AMDA has been actually performing pretty well. We actually have, we broke down pretty bearishly here on expanding volume. We're actually going to appreciate that it's contracting a little bit as we hit lows. We retested it here. Looks like a little bit less supply. Very bearish close, no follow through. Very quick reversal with increased ease of upward movement. Large buyers. This kind of gives us a nice level of support. Like, this is a very important area of interest. Prices pull back with lower contracting spreads, narrowing spreads, into this prior level resistance. We confirm this level of resistance into support, and then prices rally. We rally with increased ease of upward movement into this long-term level of support or resistance now on expanding volume. And again, we contract. We contract with narrowing spreads, less volume. Demand appears to exceed that of supply. We rally now and work our way through this level of resistance and attempt to confirm this now as a level of support again. We're currently pulling back after re-achieving the 50-day simple moving average. The character which we're pulling back here, we do have an up thrust here. We had an attempt to lose this close. We try to rally away. We gap higher. So I like gaps, especially under these conditions, because if we gapped higher and ran, obviously that's a nice sign of strength. But we gap higher, we pull back. So there's some hesitation. I think there's a lot of longs here that kind of got trapped, or they have an opportunity to get out of their trades. But I think now for new trades, we have an opportunity to buy support, trade in the resistance. Your resistance here is at 50 cents. Your next resistance is a 200 simple moving average. Your next would be this gap. And then the highest would be this, my second price objective. So, we have some technical resistance, but we also have some resistance as measured by the cause and effect. So I measure this cause. We have a 50 cent price objective. I measure this entire cause, and our price objective is $1. And what is our risk? Our risk is losing this 50-day moving average. I probably would just draw a lower trend line right through here, and if we violate that, whatever, walk away. It didn't work out. If it would actually break back down and test this level, and there's not a lot of supply, that's a buy. So even if we kind of get stopped out of this, I'm going to follow this closely because it may present another opportunity to buy at $27.50. And we do have decent volume on these big strong rallies. We're exceeding 1 million, so there's certainly some liquidity that's there. We can see that we're starting to have some positive relative strength. Healthcare is obviously doing really well. It's starting to pull back a little bit, but it's just a little overbought. So this is just kind of a technical pullback, I guess, from a relative strength perspective. The index itself actually is starting to see some participation. So I think if the right conditions exist, AMDA actually is in a very good technical position to, the rally into this 50 cent price objective, the 200-day simple moving average, and then it probably would back test it, confirm it as support, build more cause, and if that's the case, there's a lot of upside here. Even a test of 50 cents is that's a pretty good gain. All right, guys, that's AMDA. Good luck.